Is there a guy way up there?
Excellent crossing, Kris.
Thank you.
Very smooth.
Are we videoing?
We are videoing.
Nice.
How's the ride been in this
It
Explorer?
wasn't nearly as bad as last year.
This is the first year this Explorer's been up here, right?
Yes.
How does it compare?
Oh, way better.
Yeah?
The four-wheel drive works.
Your four-wheel drive didn't work in the other one?
Well, it worked on the way there, and then it froze and broke.
Big time.
Yep.
Well, nice work. It was very smooth. I was very impressed.